Galvez, Technical Marketing Manager with Wolters, Kluwer, Tax and Accounting. And joining us today for a cup of coffee are David Crane, Chief Revenue Officer, and Eric King, VP of Strategic Alliances for Santa Barbara TPG, as well as Shannon Bond, our VP and Segment Leader for Wolters, Kluwer, Tax and Accounting. Now, the topic for today is Bank Products 101. Definitely a hot topic as we look for ways to help tax professionals grow their businesses and increase their revenue streams. So with that, Eric, what are bank products and why is it so important for tax offices to have them available in their toolbox?
Luis, thank you for having us today. As a longtime partner, Santa Barbara TPG is excited to be here with you. We've been in this space for nearly 3 decades now and longtime partners offering these bank products through TaxWise. But they're very important for a big segment of our demographic in the United States. The bank product simply is just paying certain fees out of your refund. So it's paying by refund. It allows the taxpayer to get a safe and secure vehicle to receive the refund. And it also allows the tax professional who's prepared the taxes to get paid through the refund as well. So we will pay those, we will set up a direct deposit for the taxpayer, and we'll pull the tax prep fees out and seamlessly send the tax preparer his fees and the taxpayer their refund. So we do this, it's fully integrated in the TaxWise platform. It's very simple, very user-friendly. It allows a good non-touch way to interact with the taxpayer and for the tax professional to make sure that they get their fees. The taxpayer can choose to have a check printed or a direct deposit into their account. They can receive a debit card with the funds on it, or they can even do a Walmart direct to cash where they would go to Walmart and pick up their refund once it funds. So it's very cost effective to the taxpayer. There's no fees at all to the tax professional. And there's a $39.95 convenience fee for the taxpayer for their federal and a $14.95 for their state refund. So it's a very user-friendly, again, product. Another add-on, if they do offer the refund transfers through TPG, if the taxpayer chooses and requests, they may be eligible for a taxpayer advance. So we may advance a portion of their refund to them well before they would get it direct deposited by the IRS. And we know a lot of people are cash strapped now. They might need an extra $1,000 now rather than waiting 3 weeks for the direct deposit. And the fast cash advance is a great vehicle for that.
That's right, Eric. And so, David, what should tax professionals be asking themselves when looking at partnering with a bank product provider?
That's a great question, Luis. And thanks again for having us on today. Eric did a great job in really explaining kind of the core parts of our business and our industry, which is really just paying by refund and also the taxpayer advance. And there's 3 or 4 players in our industry that all do that and do that adequately. I really think in terms of my advice to a tax professional who's looking for a bank partner would be to go a step beyond that and really look for a partner that can help them with tools that can help them grow and expand their business, help them with loans in terms of pre-season money that can help them with marketing and expansion costs. I definitely would advise that any tax professional talk to client references because number one, you've got to have service and support during the season. So talk to people that have been through a season and know that there's product specialists, that they're bilingual, and that you've got good service and support that can resolve any issues that might pop up during the season. The last thing you want to do is be on hold for 2 hours during the season at a busy point. The other thing I would say in terms of going to that next level of looking for a bank partner is really find a partner that can offer you tools to put more money in your pocket and to make better decisions about the long-term growth of your business. I'll give you a couple of examples. So one about putting more money in the tax professional's pocket is, if you're expecting to get paid for your tax prep fees out of the refund and the refund doesn't fund, then you're out of luck. So you provided your services, you spent time doing the tax prep, but now the refund doesn't fund, and so you've done your services for free, basically. We now have a solution where we'll go out and collect those prep fees on behalf of the ERO and still get them paid for their services, even if the refund doesn't fund. So that's one thing. A second thing is really more of a marketing and analytics tool that helps you see how you stack rank against your competition. So you can go to our website right now. It's called the ERO report card. The tax professional would answer a series of questions And then at the end, it generated a report card that shows how you stack rank against your peers in the industry in certain subjects. So let's say, how do you stack rank in terms of your social media presence? Or how do you stack rank in terms of your website? Or how do you stack rank in terms of your volume? So now you've got real intel on how you stack rank and maybe how you should prioritize your time and energy to get up to speed with your peers. Or maybe you're way ahead of the game and you're way ahead of your peers, and now you know that you can focus your time and energy elsewhere. So again, the core competencies are the core competencies. I think a lot of good bank partners out there can do it and handle it. I would really advise to go that extra step and find someone that can truly help you grow and expand your business.
That's right, David. Definitely a lot of tools for tax professionals these days. And Shannon, so let's talk about our partnership with Santa Barbara TPG and how our TaxWise customers specifically can benefit from it.
Thanks, Luis. And I really appreciate David and Eric taking time out to share some insights with you about bank products and the benefits for your customers. We've been partners with TPG for as long as I can remember, and I'm not going to admit my age, but finding solutions that meet the needs of customers who potentially do not have a way to securely receive their refund, for tax professionals to be able to get paid their prep fees without having to take extra measures outside of the bank product, and partnering with TPG to be able to solve the problem for tax professionals and their clients in such a variety of ways has truly been a pleasure. And watching this happen over the years, from the traditional refund transfer into our fee collect offering, our 3-fund offering, and along the way, we've appreciated TPG's partnership to find solutions that meet the needs of the tax professionals we serve. And they're not all the same size. It isn't a one-size-fits-all opportunity. What works in your office may not work in another. But I think in these tumultuous times we're living through right now, having options for your business to continue to secure those clients, leveraging tools, as David mentioned, like the report card, which, if we segue nicely into our next conversation here, really lends to how do you leverage these tools to keep customers from DIY and grow your business. TaxWise Mobile is now in the market, successfully launched this past year, and enables you to really have a complete end-to-end solution for your taxpayers without them having to come to your office. Securely send you information through TaxWise Mobile, transmits to TaxWise Online. You could store whatever documentation they include with that mobile interview in Vault inside the return in TaxWise securely. At the point of completion of the return, you get the e-signature and you're off to the races and on to the next return. And if mobile isn't an option that you think will work for you, Client Portal is another way that you can engage clients and customers and have them actually submit the documentation you need to create an accurate return through Client Portal and secure it there. So we're very excited that all of these remote tools in these uncertain times work very seamlessly together with our partners at TPG.
You're right, Shannon. What an exciting time to be in the tax and accounting profession with all the different tools available now with the virtual office and all the bank product options that are available to tax professional offices. And so with that, if you are a TaxWise customer watching this video, there is a phone number on the screen that you can call to contact your account manager, also a phone number to contact TPG directly. And if you're not using TaxWise today, we have a website on the screen that you can visit to find out more information for TaxWise Online, as well as information about TPG. So with that, I'd like to thank our panel for today, Shannon, David, Eric. Thank you so much for joining us today for a cup of coffee, and thank you everybody else for watching. Bye-bye.